p.m. PDT. Low 2.5 feet at 10:45 p.m. PDT. Remarks. Mixed south swell from 190 degrees and west swell from 260 degrees. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Orange County inland areas tonight. Partly cloudy until midnight, then mostly cloudy with patchy drizzle overnight. Patchy fog overnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming mostly sunny. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs in the mid-70s towards the coast to 80 farther inland. Light winds. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Patchy fog overnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Coastal weather observations at 1 o'clock p.m. Huntington Beach. Visibility is 4 miles. Waves 2 feet at 12 seconds. Max sets to 4 feet. Water 60, air 61, pressure 1012. Newport Beach, air 64. Solana Beach, waves 2 feet at 12 seconds. Max sets to 2 feet. Water 64, air 67, pressure 1015. Mission Beach, waves 3 feet at 12 seconds. Max sets to 4 feet. Water 66, air 63, pressure 1014. These are the 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time marine observations for the coastal waters off San Diego. Marine buoy reports. At Tanner Banks Buoy, wind west, at 0 calm, sea temperature 59 degrees, air temperature 58 degrees. At San Clemente Basin Buoy, wind west, at 0 calm, sea temperature 63 degrees, air temperature 60 degrees. At San Nicolas Island Buoy, swell height 3 feet, swell period 11 seconds, sea temperature 58 degrees, air temperature 57 degrees. At Santa Monica Basin Buoy, wind southeast, at 0 calm, sea temperature 62 degrees, air temperature 59 degrees. South Santa Rosa Island Buoy wind was west at 8 knots. The swell direction was northwest, height 7 feet, and period 9 seconds. The air temperature was 55 degrees. The sea surface temperature was 59 degrees. Pressure was 1,012.5 millibars. At San Pedro Channel Buoy, swell height 2 feet, swell period 14 seconds, sea temperature 64 degrees. At Oceanside Offshore Buoy, swell height 2 feet, swell period 13 seconds, sea temperature 65 degrees. At Torrey Pines Outer Buoy, swell height 2 feet, swell period 13 seconds, sea temperature 65 degrees. Scripps Pier sea surface temperature was 66 degrees. San Diego Broadway Pier the sea surface temperature was 68 degrees. At Imperial Beach Nearshore Buoy, swell height 2 feet, swell period 13 seconds, sea temperature 65 degrees. At Point Loma South Buoy, swell height 2 feet, swell period 13 seconds. These are the 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time observations for Orange County. At John Wayne Airport, it was cloudy. Temperature was 68 degrees, dew point 58, and the relative humidity 70%. Wind was southwest at 8 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.92 inches and falling. In Florida, it was partly sunny. Temperature was 70 degrees. Pressure was 29.90 inches and falling. At Los Alamitos, haze was reported. Temperature was 69 degrees. It was 73 at Lake Forest and 71 at Huntington Beach. For the Inland Empire, at the Riverside Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 82 degrees, dew point 60, and the relative humidity 47%. Wind was west at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. In Ontario, it was sunny. Temperature was 81 degrees, dew point 54, and the relative humidity 39%. Wind was west at 10 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.88 inches and falling. It was 77 at Temecula, 76 at Murrieta, 86 at Paris, and 88 at Moreno Valley. It was sunny with a temperature of 80 at Chino Airport and 77 at Corona Airport. At March Field, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 85. For the Los Angeles Basin, at the Los Angeles Airport, it was cloudy. Temperature was 63 degrees, dew point 57, and the relative humidity 81%. Wind was west at 8 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.92 inches and falling. At Burbank, it was sunny, with a temperature of 75. At Long Beach, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 70. For the San Diego area, in San Diego, it was cloudy. Temperature was 65 degrees. Throughout the region, the temperatures were in the lower 70s. At Camp Pendleton, it was partly sunny. For the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains, it was 80 at Big Bear City South, 80 at Baldwin Lake, and 82 at Angeles Oaks. At Big Bear City Airport, it was sunny, with a temperature of 79. In the northern deserts, at the Victorville Airport, it was sunny. Temperature was 99 degrees. Wind was southeast at 14 miles an hour. It was 94 at Hesperia, 100 at Apple Valley, and 104 at Daggett. It was sunny, with a temperature of 101 at Palmdale, 109 at Needles, and 105 at Las Vegas, Nevada. In the southern deserts, throughout the region, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny. It was 105 at Palm Springs, 102 at Thermal, 107 at Blythe, and 109 at Phoenix, Arizona. Offshore islands, at Catalina Airport, fog was reported with a visibility of 3 miles. Temperature was 61 degrees. Wind was variable at 5 miles an hour. At San Clemente Island, it was cloudy. Temperature was 69 degrees. At San Nicolas Island, fog was reported. Temperature was 63 degrees. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Bernardino and Riverside County Valleys, the Inland Empire tonight. Mostly clear until midnight, becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 90. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Bernardino County Mountains tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s above 6,000 feet to 60 below 6,000 feet. Areas of wind south 15 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Near ridge tops and along desert slopes, light winds. Wednesday, sunny. Highs around 80 above 6,000 feet to in the mid-80s below 6,000 feet. Areas of wind south 15 to 20 miles an hour. Near ridge tops and along desert slopes, light winds becoming south 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Gusts to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 40s above 6,000 feet to in the upper 50s below 6,000 feet. Areas of wind south 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Near ridge tops and along desert slopes, areas of wind south 15 to 20 miles an hour, gusts to 30 miles an hour until midnight. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Riverside County Mountains tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Wednesday, sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Light winds becoming west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. Areas of winds west 15 miles an hour with gusts to 25 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Santa Ana Mountains and foothills tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Light winds. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Light winds. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Light winds. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Apple and Lucerne Valleys tonight. Clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Areas of wind south 15 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Wednesday, sunny. Highs around 100. Light winds becoming south 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to 30 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wednesday night, clear. Lows in the lower 60s. Areas of wind southwest 15 to 25 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Gorgonio Pass near Banning tonight. Mostly clear. Lows in the lower 70s. Areas of winds west 15 to 20 miles an hour. Gusts to 30 miles an hour. Wednesday, sunny. Highs around 103. Areas of winds west 15 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts to 35 miles an hour. Wednesday night, patchy blowing dust until midnight. Clear. Lows around 70. Areas of winds west 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts to 40 miles an hour, becoming 35 miles an hour overnight. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Orange County coastal areas tonight. Partly cloudy until midnight, then cloudy with patchy drizzle overnight. Patchy fog overnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. Highs around 70 at the beaches in the mid-70s farther inland and near higher coastal terrain. Light winds. Wednesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, becoming cloudy. Patchy fog overnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds. Coastal waters forecast for the following marine location. Outer waters from Santa Cruz Island to San Clemente Island to 60 nautical miles offshore, including San Nicolas Island. Today, west wind 10 to 15 knots, becoming 5 to 10 knots this afternoon. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 10 seconds and southwest 3 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy dense fog this morning with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Tonight, west wind 5 to 10 knots in the evening, becoming light. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 10 seconds and south 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog. Wednesday, light winds. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 10 seconds and south 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog in the morning. Wednesday night, light winds. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 11 seconds and southwest 3 feet at 15 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle. Thursday, light winds, becoming west 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 11 seconds and southwest 3 feet at 15 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle in the morning. Thursday night, northwest wind 10 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet. Wave detail, northwest 5 feet at 9 seconds and southwest 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle after midnight. Friday, northwest wind 10 to 20 knots, becoming 20 to 30 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 7 feet. Wave detail, northwest 5 feet at 10 seconds and southwest 3 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle in the morning. Friday night, northwest wind 20 to 30 knots, becoming 25 to 35 knots after midnight. Seas 6 to 8 feet, building to 7 to 10 feet. Wave detail, northwest 10 feet at 10 seconds and south 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle after midnight. Saturday, northwest wind 30 to 40 knots. Seas 9 to 12 feet. Wave detail, northwest 11 feet at 10 seconds and southwest 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle in the morning. Saturday night, northwest wind 30 to 40 knots. Seas 10 to 14 feet. Wave detail, northwest 13 feet at 11 seconds and southwest 2 feet at 13 seconds. Patchy fog and drizzle after midnight. Coastal waters forecast for the following marine location: inner waters from Point Muga to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. Today, southeast 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest this afternoon. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, west 2 feet at 8 seconds and southwest 2 feet at 14 seconds. Patchy dense fog this morning with visibility 1 nautical mile or less. Tonight, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots in the evening, becoming light. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, west 2 feet at 9 seconds and southwest 2 feet at 13 seconds. Patchy fog. Wednesday, light winds becoming south 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas 2 feet. Wave detail, west 2 feet at 9 seconds and south 2 feet at